Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. So today I wanted to share what's inside my Target beauty box. I didn't know that Target even had a beauty box, and Justin actually gave this to me as one of my Christmas gifts. He gave me the holiday beauty box. Sorry this is super late, but I thought it was amazing. Like, I think they're gonna have this regularly. It is $7 for a box. Like, Justin was so sweet to think of me and to know that I would love something like this. So I just wanted to share what's inside, and I'll tell you whether or not I think it's worth the $7. But like $7, you guys, come on. So the first thing that's inside would be a little letter. Target.com/beautybox is where you can find it, and it has some description of everything that's inside. And on top of that, a $3 off coupon if you make a beauty purchase that's $15 or more. But wait, it expired already, my coupon. Dang it, it expired on January 1st. Why? Why you gotta do me like that? So mine expired, my coupon expired, but that's okay. And then this is amazing. I'm actually wearing Impress press-on nails, so like that's crazy. This is Impress press-on manicure one-step gel. It has 30 nails and 6 accents. It kind of looks similar to my nails right now, and it has a $1 off coupon. So that's pretty amazing. And then inside it also has a little sample of Vera Wang's Marigold and Gardenia. I love Gardenia, so I have to smell this right now, you guys. Let's do this. Let's smell it. Actually, it just has, you know how like when you initially put it on, all you smell is pretty much like alcohol? So that's all I'm kind of smelling. But then I am smelling, it's like floral. I actually like it. I'm going to keep this and like use it for as long as I run out and then figure out whether or not I really want to buy it. Yeah, but it is a fruity floral fragrance blending dewy notes of melon with a floracy. I didn't even know that was a word, to be honest. Floracy of marigold and gardenia, along with a creaminess of soft musk. I like it. It's light. It's light, and I'm going to be using it regularly until I run out, like I said. And then I got a coconut oil. Minoy coconut oil moisturizes and revitalizes all hair types. Nourishing deep conditioner by Hask. I'm so excited. I love hair mask, you guys. I love it. Like, I feel like my hair is growing, but I dyed it like a black. And ever since I dyed my hair, I feel like my hair in a way has gotten drier. So I need a hair mask. Thank you so much. And then, why am I saying thank you? Justin bought it for me. Like, no, but thank you, Justin. And then I got this Nexus Comb Through Finishing Mist. It's medium hold, so it doesn't hold like a lot. So this would be great for like loose curls. And I actually like sprayed my hair, like my ponytail, because I have like my little baby hairs growing from postpartum hair loss. And it smells good, you guys. And this is like, you know, a small sample size. And then this is a full size. Well, of course, I mean, how are you gonna give a sheet mask not be full size? That'd be so funny. They're like, oh, you get to try a sample. Here's just half the mask. This is from My Beauty Diary mask, and it's a black pearl mask. You know what's so crazy? This is a brightening mask. So crazy, because the first sheet mask I ever used was a My Beauty Diary mask, and I could only find them at Asian stores. They even sell it at like Seafood City, Mitsuwa, Daiso, and it's amazing that they now sell it at Target. That's amazing, you guys. And then full size, you guys, Chapstick. This is House Red Moisture and Tint. I feel like it was made for Target, or I have no clue, but like when I saw the packaging, it had like that Target sign on it, and it's called House Red. It's a sheer red, and it smells like, I think, cherry. Yeah, I think so. But you guys know Chapstick. It's super hydrating, very moisturizing on the lips, and a hint of red never hurt nobody. So that is amazing. And then the last thing that was in the box, it's called Shake It Fresh Clump Free Volume by Rimmel. So I guess you shake it first so that it's clump free, and then you remove it, and then you put it, you put it on. I haven't tried it yet. I have to be honest. I have not tried this one yet, but I look forward to trying it. And why am I doing this if I'm not even trying it yet? But I look forward to trying it, and I know that mascara alone is like, this Rimmel mascara is probably at least $6. And then, you know, this Impress is like more than $6. So you definitely get your money's worth. It all just depends on what you like. But I thought that they had a wonderful variety when it came to like makeup and then fragrances. Like, you guys, like, I love perfume samples. I really do. So I'm really excited. I don't even know what to pick, like what I'm most excited about, but I think I'm really impressed that they had like a whole set of Impress press-on nails. Like, that is, to me, that's totally worth the box in itself. And the fact that they had a sheet mask, a hair, I loved everything. If I could just pick like one thing that like I don't really care for, it would probably be the hairspray, just because I honestly have a lot of hairspray, so I'm not looking for a new one at the moment. But that's just because, you know, my personal preference. But everything, like, everything was just amazing for $7. Like, I'm not gonna complain. And also the $7 plus the $3 off if you use your coupon on time, unlike myself. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. How exciting that Target has like a subscription box. That's crazy. I'm going to subscribe. I'm going to pay that $7 regularly because I think it's totally worth it. Like, $7 is, you get a lot for $7. And I liked 99% of the stuff in here. I just was like, about just one thing. And if I'm just like, about just one thing, I mean, it's totally worth it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give the video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.